speeding. BK94ZL before the 80k zone. Stop. CS820C. Oh yeah, got the red. Oh, look at him. 1, 2, 2 round on the red arrow. Where'd he go? The mermaids. Over the line. Long way to be able to stop behind the line. Couldn't do it. DJW49J. You're a problem. Get off the road. He's using right indicator and he can't go anywhere else. But he doesn't use left. No, use the right indicator to go left off a roundabout. What an idiot. Can't stay in his lane. DDP 6AD. Can't use left-hand indicator, exiting left off a roundabout. Noisy exhaust is right up my clacker. Run the red light. Got ya, dude.
They might have pleaded guilty, they might be involved in related offences, there might be question marks.
No indicators. Oh, until he decides he's going to put them on. An obscured green P plate.
It isn't malintent on the part of the police prosecution.
Stay off the double centre lines. Oh, there he goes, over the double centre lines. CXR49A. All the way on the double centre lines. Double centre lines again. Still on the double centre lines. Third time on the double centre lines. Stop, people, stop. There's a red light runner.
Yeah, but I think that with this concept.
Another one can't stop behind the lines. He's got his wheels on the second line. DYK43U. $448 and 3 demerit points. Stop behind the line, dude. Fire. That was a white concrete barrier, would have smashed into it. Another jaywalker. KJD 266, straight through the stop sign. There's another so-called professional driver doesn't know where the front of his truck is. Halfway onto the pedestrian crossings, $448 and 3 demerit points. Western Sydney Concrete. Orange, red. Another one, another supposed professional driver. Same. HSV12P. Any indicators exiting the roundabout? No, failure. Total failure. Stop. What about using indicators this time? HSV12P. This is the second occasion you've refused to use indicators. Oh, red light runner. BRS006. Black Hyundai Getz, intersection of Wargrove Road and the M4. Oh, motorbike. Gotcha! Turning right from the straight ahead lane.